Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily update your Roblox app on your Android device. Keeping your app up to date is important for accessing the latest features and performance improvements. So let's go through the steps together. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Simply tap the Play Store icon from your home screen or app drawer to launch it. Step 2. Once you're in the Play Store, type Roblox into the search bar at the top of the screen. After typing it in, tap the search icon to find the app. Step 3. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button next to the Roblox app. Simply tap the Update button, and the latest version of Roblox will begin downloading and installing on your device. And that's it. Once the update is complete, you can open Roblox and start enjoying the newest features and improvements. It's always a good idea to check for updates regularly to ensure you're using the latest version of the app. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Roblox experience.